All right, so you cockroaches tell me I low payment on a new Kia, then I find out it's mumbo jumbo. All right, don't want to give me credit I deserve, but I got a job. That's okay. I'll go to the KOB. This guy's got a JOB.
At your #1 Kia headquarters, Kia Bedford, we don't make false promises. We make real deals. And proof of your job is all you need to apply. Thousands approved each year with our program. We want to approve you too.
All right.
Have you seen the hot new Kia Forte? Right now, zip, zero, zilch out of pocket and just $179 per month. No money down and $179 per month. Plus, only KOB will pay off any lease or loan in full when we make a deal. At Kia Bedford, we don't make false promises. We make deals. Your smart buy idea is Kia. Kia Bedford, 18180 Rockside Road. Call 866-579-3240 today. KiaBedford.com.
Qualified buyers with approved credit rebates to dealer offers mutually exclusive down payment term vary. See dealer for complete details.
You got a J-O-B.
Definitely, I work 7 to 3, I make money.
You got a J-O-B. Absolutely. I got to take care of the family.
You got a J-O-B in the K-O-B. Credit as easy as 1, 2, 3. Other dealers are served. Have you heard the word? Get the credit you deserve. Bring the family. Your smart buy idea is Kia. Kia Bedford.
You know the J-O-B.
Your smart buy idea is Kia. Kia Bedford.
You know the J-O-B.
I got a J-O-B. I go to K-O-B.
You got a J-O-B? Then Kia of Bedford wants to put you in a brand new, well-equipped Kia at a price you can afford. And only at your KOB will you get more for any trade. Any trade! Even if you owe more than it's worth. It's what we do. Kia of Bedford, located on the Bedford Auto Mile. Or you can always check us out at KiaofBedford.com. You got a J-O-B?
Get your smart buy idea. New Kia. It's a KOB. Get your smart buy idea. New Kia. It's a KOB. Other deals are served, no worries. Now you heard the word. Get the credit you deserve when you're looking for a Kia. You know they got your back at Kia of Bedford. It's plain as that. Yeah, smart buy idea. New Kia. It's a KOB. Get your smart buy idea. New Kia. It's a KOB. Other deals are served, no worries. Now you heard the word. Get the credit you deserve when you're looking for a Kia. You know they got your back at Kia of Bedford. It's plain as that. Yeah, smart buy idea. New Kia. It's a KOB. Visit us on the Auto Mile or get started right now at KiaofBedford.com. Your KOB.
See dealer for details. Qualified buyers.
Hey, you over there. Yeah, actually 0 down. No gimmicks. $365 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Yeah, you want this. Hey you. Do you need a car? Get to KOB, Cleveland's #1 Kia dealer. Hey you. Do you need a car? You can't pass up a deal this good. Hey, where are you going? You should probably write this number down and call us. 888-890-3513. Hey you. Do you need a car? Hey, you over there. Check this deal out.